I just called to say I love you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, this one is one happy video. One of my friend's niece got proposed, so she asked me to make them a surprise centerpiece. So let's get started. We're using green foam ring, floral foam. And what are we doing now? First, we're painting it in silver color. So now when it's all painted and dry, I'm trying to see how I'm going to connect it. In the middle, I'm going to put one napkin ring, which previously I covered it with one of those bling jewel ribbons that I purchased from Amazon. All items that I use, I will put them in my description box. So now what am I doing is Mod Podge and a lot of glitter. I use silver glitter and white glitter and a little bit black with silver glitter on all the foams. Next, I'm adding those rhinestones that I had in my box for a long time. I think I got them from Michael's. So I'm just putting them on top and Mod Podging them. And now when everything is done, I'm connecting the ring to see how it's gonna look. I'm gonna put some glue on top so it won't get separated. And final touch, totally dazzled jewel on top of it. And now with a hairspray, I'm spraying it just to make sure all the glitter is on and it won't fall apart. What I'm doing next is I'm making a bow. First, I'm using this tulle ribbon that I had from Dollar Tree. I'm just creating a bow with the help of this bow maker. As you can see, I'm just making it from one side to another, flipping just like that until all tulle ribbon is done. Next, I'm adding this black with silver ribbon from Dollar Tree to make a bow. I'm gonna be making 3 loops on each side. Next, I'm adding 2 loops of each side from this white with silver ribbon. Now, when the ribbon is done, I'm adding Chanel stem so I can connect it. And now, next, I'm using this cone foam. I'm just putting a little bit of glue so it can stand in my martini glass vase, and I'm adding pearls. Next, I added the ring in the middle and I'm adding these feathers. The feathers I purchased from Hobby Lobby and some of them from Amazon. Oh boy, they're so expensive, but they're gonna look super amazing. So around the ring, I'm just adding those feathers just to make a look. I didn't want it to add flowers. I just wanted to add something unique and nice. So I'm just adding those feathers all over, just like that. And now we're gonna add the bow in the middle. I'm putting a wire and a glue so I can stick the ribbon in the foam together. Also in the middle, I added a totally dazzled brooch to look more fancy and glamorous. And here how it looks. What do you guys think? I really love it. I wish the camera can show more realistic how it looks in reality. Next, I just got these two balls, and I'm not gonna put too much glamour in it, just those little lines out of the silver glitter stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. What I'm doing next is I'm creating a center holder for the vase. I'm just using a top of one of my metal boxes that I had, and I put a silver sheet on top, and I put silver ribbon on the side. Next, for the happy couple, I'm creating a picture of a dancing couple, and I'm thinking which background should I use. Should I use the music notes? Should I use the one with the flowers or the one with the roses? But I think the prettiest was the one with the flowers and the letters, so I'm using that one. And then on the side, not too much, just I'm putting those two of the rose pearl stickers so the frame can look not simple, just glamorous. And now it's ready. On the candle balls, I'm adding glitter stones. I'm filling them with water and the floating candle. And here is the final look. I really love it. It can be used for a wedding centerpiece, for engagement centerpiece, for proposal, anything you like. Also, I like to mention in the middle, I use those two hearts that I purchased from Hobby Lobby on sale. Those were the hearts that it was connected with a pen, and I just removed the pen and I cover it with stickers. And here you go. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I really love it, and my friend was so amazed by it. She really loved it. I forgot to mention the printable for the dancing couple. It's in my description box, so anyone who liked the copy of this dancing beautiful couple can print it out. Don't forget to comment on the previous video and add flower emoji to enter for May giveaway. Thank you for watching. Much love. Until next time, CJ.